We'll guide you through how to find a Google Drive file ID. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the file for which you want to find the ID. You can do this by using the search bar at the top or by navigating through your folders. After you've found the file, right-click on it and select Get Link from the context menu. A new window will pop up showing the link to your file. Now, this is where the magic happens. Look at the link carefully. The file ID is the long string of characters in the URL that comes directly after file/d and before view or any subsequent slashes. It typically looks like a mix of letters and numbers. That's your file ID. You can highlight this section of the URL and copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This ID is unique to every file and can be very useful if you're using APIs or need to share a specific link with someone. One handy tip is to save this ID in a document if you're referring to it often. And there you have it. You've successfully found and copied the file ID from Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.